Hi guys, you're welcome to our channel. We're live in the city of Onitsha. Yeah, it's one of the biggest cities in Anambra State. Nobody in Nigeria that don't know Onitsha. Onitsha is the commercial hub of Anambra State. If you are new to our channel, you're welcome to Arlin TV. Can you do what to click the subscribe button? Also turn on notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we upload new video. For returning subscribers, thank you very much. So we'll be having a walking tour of the biggest market in the southeastern part of Nigeria. Here we're talking about the Head Bridge market in Onitsha. So we're going to be walking through this market. I'm going to be showing you the market, how it looks like currently. Yes, so I'm going to be showing you all of that. So just stay tuned to the video and do what to give me your honest review at the end of the video, and also do let me know in the comment section if you have ever visited the market. The part we'll be entering is popularly called Ubogu. Yes, for those who are into farmer, they know what I'm talking about. So they have different parking lots in this market. We'll be using one is called digital, even though it's no longer digital anyway. So this is us in this park. This one, I think the flat price for parking is 250, but the digital I think is 100 or 200 per hour. They are paying there. They'll just write the time for you. When you are coming, they check the time to give you your bill. So this is us now inside the market, currently walking through the market. In as much as it is called Ubogu, there are other stuff that is being sold here as well. So it's not just drug, but drug is the major part of the market. So, but there are other things, food stuff, clothes, a lot of other things are being sold. Though Onitsha also have their own cloth market. When it comes to market, Onitsha has different segments. Their spare parts market is as big as this as well. Their building material market is as big as this as well. So they have big market in Onitsha, but this one is called Ubogu, the Head Bridge market. So there are other few stuff you can get here aside of drugs, but they are known for drugs. So just a walking tour of the market. As you can see, cartons are flying left, right, and center. During the time of Dora, she tried as much as she can to control a lot of things in this market, and I believe the current administration of NAFDAC are also doing quite a lot to see how they can control some certain stuff. Yeah, some months back, I think an incident happened here that's really caught the attention of most of these agencies. That's the chemical section of it, when there was an explosion in the chemical sections that even affected the buildings around. So it was quite very explosive as at that time. So there are clips online regarding that, and we've had a tour of this market before, so you can do it to check our video catalog to see how it was before this tour, so you have an idea of what it is. So one funny thing about this market is that we are walking through, you just keep hearing wheelbarrow will just be moving, uzo, every right and left of the market you keep hearing uzo. So if you are not Igbo and you hear uzo, if you come to this market, just know they are trying to tell you shift to load is coming or barrow is coming. So that's what uzo means. So they're telling you to shift. You can see the boys arranging their wheelbarrow. So market is they're always carrying cartons out. And one of the beautiful thing about this market is that from this market, this drugs goes to different parts of the country and even across the border. In Nigeria, there are some specific major drug markets. This Ubogu is one of them. The Lagos own is there. Then I think that of Kanu. Those are the three major drug markets in Nigeria. There are other states that have little. Even area also has, but these ones are known as the major drug market as far as Nigeria is concerned. So this is just how their lanes are. And the beautiful thing about their lanes is that I think the people in the lane, the people that have shops on each lane, decide how beautiful their lane should be. But one thing they've all resolved now is for there to be a total closure, roof all over the whole place, so that when it rains, it does not get to fall inside the market. So there are roofs that connect everywhere in the market. Even these lanes we are walking on, as you can see fans blowing on this lane. These are big boys lane. So they choose what should be on their lane, and some of them will have to gate both front and back just to protect their own lane when they are closing for the day, though they have their own security in the market. So this is just one of the lane in the market, and quite big. So we left there trying to navigate our way to another side of the market, just to give you guys another view of what the market looks like. If you are still seeing this video and you are not yet a subscriber, kindly do what to click the subscribe button. Also turn on notification bell so you will always know when we upload videos like this. And for returning subscribers, we really do appreciate your love for the channel. Do let us get your honest review about this drug market. What is your take? Especially for those who are abroad, they are not so comfortable with this system of drug marketing. So let's just get your honest review in the comment section. Let's know what you think. What is your feel about this? And for our pharmacists who will be seeing this video, let's also get your feel about it. What is your feel about it in general? So, but these things are in existence in Nigeria and it happens, you understand? So we have to stick by that. So as you can see, Okrika shoes are being sold as well in this market. So a lot of other stuff outside of drug, like I've mentioned earlier, are being sold, and their prices are quite competitive when it comes to purchase of wholesale drugs compared to what you get in other smaller cities, or in other, let me not say smaller cities, in other states that has drug markets. So Onitsha market is one market that gives the best price when it comes to drug. Another thing I will also advise is that when you come to the market, ensure you just know the big boys in the market and have your contact very well, so that you just go straight to where you are going to. If not, they will just keep calling you from left, right, center, everywhere, keep calling you, trying to convince you to buy from them and all of that. So, and if you don't know who is who, you know what I mean. So just try and have your contact, try and find your contact, and you'll definitely be easier for you that way to move around the market. So this is another lane that we're currently working on now. As you can see, this lane is quite spacious and not no fans in this lane, as you can see. So this lane decided that they are not going to have fun, but one thing most of them resolve is that the roofs are going to be transparent. I think for almost all the lanes the roofs are transparent, and the system of the market is their generators are usually on top. So all this kind of staircase now takes you to the top of the building where their generators are. So it's from there they on their generator to power lights in their shop. So this is another lane again we are working on inside the market. It's quite a very big market, as I mentioned earlier. So that's just it. We're working tall. Let me get your view about it. And if you've used it before, like I said, let me also know in the comment section. And let me know your experience. Was it easy for you to navigate through the market and get what you want? And if you need a contact in the market, yeah, you can do us a DM and let's see how we can assist you with that contact. So I will say again, if you are still seeing the video and you are not yet a subscriber, kindly click the subscribe button to join our big family. For returning subscribers, thank you very, very, very much. And I'm honestly anticipating your feedback in the comment section. And do well to like this video and also help us share, so those who have not seen the popular drug market in the east or in Onitsha, they should see it through the lens of Arlin TV. So thank you very much, guys. I hope you find the video interesting. We'll catch you in our next video. Bye.